FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. So guys, today the camera girl said that I'm good. So okay guys, here are my ingredients for today. This is my Worcestershire sauce. You can call it Woo. I'm gonna call it my Woo sauce. And here are my peri sauce, seasoning and sauce, everything right there. Powder, seasoning and sauce, all right? And I'll be working with some paste, tomato paste, some beef masala, seasoning. This is garlic, onion, salt, some pimento. You know, we have to go in there with some pimento. A little sugar, Creole seasoning, some oil. I'm doing olive oil, panko breadcrumbs, my ground beef, and I'll be using some vegetable shortening, my self-rising flour, and over here a little container with all my seasoning that I'll be using: thyme, onion, scallion, bell pepper, garlic, an egg, and some sweet peppers. And this is my seasoning for today, guys. And I'll see you when we get ready to kick it out. Okay, so guys, in this container, look at the amount of thyme. This is the amount of thyme. I just take the leaves off the stick because I don't want the stick to be blended in it. And I remove all the leaves. And this is bell pepper, sweet pepper, onion, and garlic. And I'm gonna blend these to make a sauce. Gonna add a small little can of tomato paste. There you go, guys. I'm gonna put this on the side while I get my beef ready. And I'm gonna make it sit for like 20 minutes before we put it on the stove top, all right? I didn't show you in the paprika, but because I'm the one who is creating this dish, I'm gonna be adding little stuff here and there. So now I'm gonna add my sauce. It's been like 10 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna let this cook for another 7 minutes. And then you guys will see the next step. Look at that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of sea salt. I'm adding some scallion. The scallion actually, guys, makes it taste so much better. All right, so this is 2 stalks of scallion. So 7 more minutes, and then I put it to cool. So guys, with a little less than 3 cups of flour, I'm gonna put like a half a cup of vegetable shortening and a little less than 2 cups of wholemeal. So hey my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present to you my signature. As you see, I made it up as I go along the way. My signature peri-peri meatloaf. Here guys, there is just one thing I saw that I would do differently. It is so delicious though, the meat is so good. And I don't think they're going to quit on me because they love it. So here, I have to put it in my book. Anyway, as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. So today's scripture will be coming from Proverbs 16, verse 17. The highway of the upright is to depart from evil. He that keepeth his way preserveth his soul. All right, guys? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, a little progress each day adds up to big results. All right? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember that Fergie loves you. My recipe. Bye-bye.